Hi, all remote learners. So today we are going to be doing is seeing a lab based off of circuits. So I'm going to go to the lab part and it's going to pull up for lab. So we have our screen right here. And our screen is going to tell us a little bit about what we need to do when it comes to making a circuit. So we have a battery. Let's start with the battery. We put it out there. I need some wires to connect to the battery. I'm going to make it a little longer so it makes it easier. And then I need a switch to connect. Move it down so we can see it a little better. And continue to make some connections with it. So I'm going to connect that wire to the light bulb because if we have it all as a closed circuit, it will be able to turn on the light bulb. So let's continue on to make our little circuit that we have. So with that, we have all different wires. Um, if I connect it to the battery, move it out just a little so we can see it's all connected, and I close this switch, it will turn on the light bulb because it is a closed circuit. See how it is flowing through and it's a closed circuit. So you can see the switch is closed, so it makes it a closed circuit and it turns on the light bulb. I open that circuit and it stops that. So let's go ahead and delete this one and let's continue on and see what we have. I'm going to use is an eraser. So we have an eraser here. I'm going to connect it to the battery and then I'm going to connect it to the light bulb too. Let's move that up a little. So I'm going to try to close the switch and see if the light bulb will turn on. So we need to see if we have a good conductor, which is the, what I'm talking about is the eraser. So if I close this to see if it has a good conductor, it would, if it is a good conductor, it will turn on the light switch, or so the light. It will light up the light. If it is not a good conductor, it will not light up the light at all. So let's see. It is closed, but it's not lighting up the light. So that is not a good conductor. A good conductor will make sure that all of the electricity is flowing through or the electric flow. So that is not a good conductor. Let's go ahead and erase that one. Let's move this up. Let's try a paper clip. So let's connect it there. And then let's connect the battery to it. Not the best way so you can see it, but you'll be able to see the light bulb right there. So if it's a good conductor, it will light up that light bulb. Let's see. Yes, that is a good conductor. So it will make sure the electricity is flowing. So you can see right there that everything is flowing. So we are able to do that. So let's go ahead and open that. I'm going to throw away that. Now I'm going to try is a dollar bill. Let's see if that is a good conductor. So we have the light bulb right here. Let's go ahead and close the switch. It does not turn it on, even though it's closed, it's not going to turn it on. So that is not a good conductor. So let's go ahead and throw that away. Let's see what else we have. Let's try a pencil. Let's see if a pencil will be able to do that. So let's go there. We see that it does light it up. So it is a good conductor. If I open it, it stops it. If I close it, it does shine a little bit. So you can see that it is a conductor. It does flow a little bit because you can see how slow it's going. So let's go ahead and stop that. Open the switch. Let's try a hand just to try it out and see. So let's see. If we close the switch, there's no light turning on. So no, that's not a good conductor. So let's go ahead and get rid of the hand. And lastly, let's try the dog. So let's see. No, that is not a good conductor also. So we can see that some of our conductors that we have, we are able to use, like the paper clip, it was able to flow through. Even if I put another wire there, what we saw in the beginning is that it would be able to go through, and we can see that it's moving fast. So we take it out, then you won't be able to see the light bulb go on. So the wire is a good conductor. A paper clip, we all saw different ones. Pencil was a very small amount of a conductor, but it still was able for that light to shine. So what you're going to do in teams, you're going to go and answer the questions, and based off of what we have learned when it comes to circuits. I hope you'll all have a great day. I will see y'all tomorrow, guys. Bye. See you later.